everyone! So today we will do unboxing. Charot! First time ganon! Bes, ganun pa mag-unboxing. Dapat may mga pagkuko tayo. But I cut my nails. So this is it. As long as may sound. Have you heard this one? Charot, arte lang. So mag-unboxing tayo kasi this is one of my, diba? Kaya naghanap ako. I'm looking for, magpakita ko sang ininit or thermos. Pero wala gid rin, no? Or hindi ko lang balak paano siya pangitaon. Basta mo na siya. Or heater. But, I thinking also that tinanglutuan ko there is not also good. So, what if this one, multi-cooker. It is brand of smart home, diba? So I bought before a smart home and I didn't post it yet. It's just like a cooking nakalimutan ko this one. So ang bad is, or ang yung cons is like kailangan siya sang if magluto ka, kailangan ka sa tong bowl or itong ginalutuan nga oh my gosh, nagaluto yung bala pa itong ginalutuan is kailangan siya nga siya deri, ipang siya kalimutan ko, oh my gosh, yung video wala ka may makwadre itong kailangan siya sang micro chuchu, basta amo na siya. So amo nang iya nga cons. So actually daan na siya trapo-trapo, kaya boy ko na siya kay it's broken na siya, kay for some reasons na broke na siya, basta amo. So, this one, mag-unboxing tayo. This is it, from the word multi-cooker. I can boil it. Maybe you can dry or fry here also like that. Just like what you see in the picture here. So, you can cook soup and you can cook noodles if you want. So, this is how you open, guys. So, this is the open area here. So maybe if you know maybe you don't know, so you know something today. So if you can see this part, so it's a little bit open, therefore you will open here, not here, because there's no opening like that. Then trying to be a vlogger, and then as you open this is what you see. Okay, diba? So this is the takop, the one what you use to close like that. And then here it says here that caution, hot steam daw, mainit. Hindi pa naman natin naluto. And then there's instructions here, but the saddest part here is that there's no styrofoam, because most of the things that we use, right, there should be a styrofoam to make it safer, that if you move like that, it's not moving. But here I think maybe here only are these accidents or incidents. So this is what, there's no styrofoam to make it your product safer. So, and this is what you see, guys, what's inside. So there's a cords here, cords or wire whatsoever, I'm not good at that. And then after that is this is it. Okay, ay mag-ano siya, guys, hindi siya ganun kabigatan, it's not heavy. Bear with me, or makakas pa siya, hindi. Sige, experiment ka. Wala pa gamit, gubat na. Okay. So this is how you wash this one. So I have also the big one here, but I think the way I wash is just wash ko talaga. Hindi ko siya winash dito, no. Only here inside lang. So the good part of this is, I think and I believe that this kind of, pan or whatsoever what you call this one inside is, it's not non-sticky siya, guys. Non-sticky siya. So this is it. So by the way, this is my second product from Smart Home, because the first one is broken. That's why I bought this one. And I choose this one because it's only 159 baht. So maybe in peso, maybe in 300 or 250 like that. So this is the most cheapest, because I'm planning to buy the heater, but if heater lang, so water lang yung pwede kong ma-benefits doon. So while here, this is multi. When we talk about multi, therefore you can use it in different ways. Alam mo yan, ganon. And then this is how you cook. So you put something here, and then you suck this one here at the back. Okay? I know you know. Ito yung taas. So, hanapin nyo yung mataas dito. So, tapos, yun yung pasok nyo. So, maybe I will show you if I cook something here. Yeah, so just keep watching into my vlog. Charot lang. So, shout out to Centrala Church SDA Church. Thank you so much for welcoming me as I go back in the Philippines. I went back to the Philippines. They welcome me so much, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys, and shout out to all of you. Keep watching and supporting me, guys. So, to 2026. I hope I pray that I could able to continue my may vlog. Oh, please support me, guys. Please. Thank you and be safe, be happy, and be healthy always, guys. God bless and keep always praying. Mwah. Ay nako. Liwat, ibalik ko siya, guys. Naman. Balik ta. The real life of vlogger ko siya record charot lang. Hindi ko vlogger pero I'm trying to be. So this is it. Okay, 1, 2, 3.